Hi YouTube, today we will learn how to log in any website. Every website has a button like login with sign in with Google like this. In my case there is login, just click on it and sign in with Google. It will redirect to Google official login site. Just type your email you want to log in through which click on next, type your password, click on next. In my case, I am enabled two-factor authentication, so I'm allowed this using my phone. Once I will allow it, it will redirect to the same website through which we redirected. And to see if login successfully done or not, there is a logout button. It's mean we are logged into this website. This is as simple as it is. No worry, no rocket science.